Hello friends. Welcome to TrackHr. Today we will learn how to add new sales lead in TrackHr. To add a new sales lead, first open TrackHr. After this, you have to check whether the option to add new sales visit is available to you or not. If not, then you can enable it from your manager or upper hierarchy person. If you have the authority to add sales lead, then the option to add new lead and record visit will appear on your screen. From here you can add sales visits for yourself and your team. Firstly, click on Add New Lead option. A form will open. Here you have to fill the details related to your lead and submit it. This form can also be customized according to your company requirements. Similarly, in some simple steps you can add and record all the sales visits of your company in TrackHr app.